This is the Wolfbox X3 Pro, a smart dash cam, and inside this video we're going to be setting this up step by step, and I'll give you my honest thoughts and opinions, and by the end you're going to know whether or not this is right for you. I'm super excited that I was sent this dash cam. I'm a huge fan of dash cams and auto technology, so let's go ahead and see what's inside of the box. First off, we have your instruction guide, and then 3 different compartments. The first compartment contains your rear dash cam cable. Inside the second compartment, we have our installation tools, our front dash cam power cord, then we have electrostatic stickers and an additional user guide, and finally we have all the pieces to the dash cam and the rear cam. Let's go ahead now and set this up and test out some of the footage. First part of the setup, we'll go ahead and just plug this into our car here so we have power eventually. Then we take our static sticker and stick it on the windshield. It simply just sticks onto the sticker just like so, and now we can maneuver this so we have the perfect viewing angle for our dash cam. Next, we take our USB-C cord that will be attaching to the rear camera and we plug that in to the dash cam. Now, in order to keep this cord out of the way, you can use this tool to tuck it in around the top of your vehicle, and that's going to keep it out of the way. Next, we take the rear camera and we attach it to the back of your vehicle. For me, that's going to be a hatchback. And then you can always rotate the lens to get the correct angle. Now, it's really nice that this dash cam comes with a touchscreen. It makes setting it up and using it very simple. The first thing it's going to have you do is format the SD card that's already in there, and then it's going to give you a view of the rear cam and the front cam. It also will automatically start recording, as you can see in the bottom left corner. And we have a bunch of different buttons here, starting with the settings button. This will allow you to change the resolution, the image settings, the sound recording, loop recording settings, Wi-Fi, volume, GPS, etc. Then we have a lock and unlock screen button. This button right here is going to take you to your media folders. So we'll have all of your currently filmed videos. We have 3 looping videos right now. And lastly, we have the view button. This is a view of just the rear screen. This is a view of the time. Then we have both the rear and the front as a small view, just the front, just the rear, and back to the time. We also have buttons here at the very bottom of the dash cam. The first button is going to be your menu button. Then we have the lock and unlock screen button, followed by your media button. And lastly, you could use this button to change the view of the camera. Beyond the physical buttons of the dash cam, we do also have an app that you can connect your dash cam to. This will allow you to see how much memory you have left on the card. It will also allow you to preview exactly what's going to be recording. And beneath that recording, it will give you a GPS of where you're at. You can also go to playback here and see all of your recorded videos, which is really nice. We have quite a few videos that it has recorded since we've been making this video. And of course, you can download any of these to your phone from the app. You also have the ability to navigate through all of the different settings, including video format, speaker volume, time watermark, speed watermark, GPS coordinates, etc. I'll go ahead now and show you guys some footage of me driving my vehicle, and we'll talk about it. I was really impressed with the footage coming from both the front and the rear camera. It records in separate files so you could see what's happening from each of the cameras in different videos. It was clear enough to see the road, to monitor everything that was happening around me, and I really did like the wide view of the camera. All in all, I was seriously impressed with the footage. If you're looking for a smart and capable dash cam, I highly recommend checking out the Wolfbox X3 Pro. It contains everything that you need to monitor the front and rear of your vehicle, as well as voice control, Wi-Fi capabilities, and a 64GB SD card. Thank you so much for watching this video review, and I hope that it helped. My name's David and I do product reviews, product comparisons, and top 5 best videos. If you're into that kind of stuff, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for my next review.